Since you want my bread, I'm not scared of you. You want my bread. You want my bread.
He just walk up to him like, boss man.
Right, brother, where the bread? Brother, where the bread? Feed them little babies too. Some pretty babies. No, I'm not messing with them. I just feed them, you know that. Just feed them fruit. They just a little jumpy. They don't know Uncle doing it. Pause at half every 2 strokes. Uncle. Yeah, there it is. Every 2. Half twice. Pause at half 5 and go up if you can. Yeah, not that far up then. Like a half 5 pause. Yeah, like that. Roll up together. Do it every stroke. Double. Do it every stroke. That's stress. On your stomach. Yeah, try to get weight off the water the whole time. My hand can't eat. They're
Reminds me of
taking my
when we
hand.
had our ducks back home.
Don't move too fast, babe. Move too fast. Mommy, you're against me. You're against me. What? Papa is cool. You realize Luther stands at the back?
Mm-hmm.
No, why?
The guide.
No, you trust me. If not, he'll be in front at Thanksgiving.
That is so cool. Right out of your hands, eh? That is awesome. A little bit more.
There you go. So you're not complaining because I'm feeding you today. You're complaining because you ain't getting none. That's crazy. I get yours. You look at me before you take it. It's crazy. I know. You have to feed you up top. Cool. I'll give you some soon, Luther.